Hey, what's up everyone? As you can see, we got a little snow. There was more of it a few days ago. We got about 8 inches. And then some of it melted. And today, such a good day. It's a sunny day. It's pretty cold though. It's about 2 degrees below zero. But it's a good day to go for a ride because tomorrow we're going to get another, well, I don't know how much, 6 inches maybe, 8 inches of snow. That's what they tell us. So despite the fact that I'm suffering from a cold, I figured go for a ride. So this is just a little route up into East Kelowna. There was a lot of road closures up this way this summer, so I kind of avoided it. Hopefully we won't have that today. So this is orchard country up here. Pretty much 100% orchards. So we'll have to watch out for icy patches here and there. We don't want to go slipping and sliding. So as soon as the weather starts to warm up, when spring finally starts to come, I've got a lot of maintenance to do on this bike, the CRF250L. I'm not sure how much I'll venture into to do myself, but we'll see. The headstock bearings need replacing. The swing arm bearings and linkages need to be rebuilt. New bearings and such. Okay, what's the road like here? It doesn't look too hot. Yeah, so all that needs to be done, and I need to change the brake fluid, the coolant, and while I'm changing the coolant, I may as well do a clutch upgrade. Well, I call it an upgrade. Nothing wrong with the clutch at the moment. It's just a year or two ago I bought a clutch pack for this bike. I think it's from the CRF250L. And it is doing away with the judder spring in this clutch and then having heavier return springs. So all in all, what it means is it makes for a much more grippy, positive engagement. A lot of people say it's the best modification they've done to this bike. I suppose it's a matter of opinion, right? I think maybe I'll do it and see what it's like. So just that is a fair bit of work, and then of course oil and filter change, the usual. So now we're coming down from the upper area of East Kelowna, because I don't want to stay out too long. It's going to be cold on my fingers otherwise. I got my heated grips on 75%, but my fingers the fingertips might still be a challenge. Well, we're on our way home now, so gee, that wasn't much of a video, was it? Didn't have much to say. There's not much to tell, I guess. I guess I'll go home, nurse my cold, practice the piano a bit. I'm still dedicated to learning the piano. So how many of you all out there ride in the winter in the cold months if you live in a climate like I do? Just curious. I sure enjoy it. I can't ride for long every time I go out, but at least I get to ride. And sometimes on a day like today, it's pretty beautiful. Kind of beauty that you can't get in the summer. Anyway, on that note, I'm gonna say goodbye. So you ride safe, have fun, and I'll catch you on another one.